This update addresses an issue affecting a limited number of devices with the Intel Innovation Platform Framework driver that could cause changes in performance, power consumption, or system behavior after installing recent Windows updates. If you are unable to install this update, follow the instructions in this video.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Select if you can't install the update, or if the update is causing issues. I'll choose that I can't install it. Press Yes to scan your PC for errors. Wait for your PC to be scanned. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the Software Distribution folder. The Download folder. Press Continue. This will delete the corrupted Windows Update files. Close the windows and run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter.